By the rivers of Babylon, where we sat down